Some people get promoted but struggle to lead. Others don't have the title, but everyone naturally follows them. So what's the difference? It's not experience and it's not intelligence. It's how they lead. I'm Jason and welcome to the channel where we focus on communication, leadership, and professional development. If you want to grow your career, leadership is one of the most important skills you can build. The problem is most people think leadership is about being in charge, but real leadership is about how you influence, support, and bring out the best in others. So in this video, I'm going to break down the 5 key skills that make someone a great leader. Number 1, clear communication. Great leaders are clear. They don't overcomplicate things and they don't confuse people. They make expectations simple and easy to follow. Here's an example. Imagine a manager gives a vague instruction like, just get this done. Now compare this to, I need this completed by 3 p.m. today. There's a big difference. One creates stress, the other creates clarity. People will always perform better when they know exactly what is expected of them. Number 2 is emotional intelligence. Great leaders understand people. They can read the room, they stay calm under pressure, and they don't react emotionally in tough situations. When an employee makes a mistake, a poor leader gets frustrated and reacts immediately, whereas a great leader pauses, understands the situation, and turns it into a learning moment. People don't leave jobs, they actually leave leaders, and emotional intelligence is what builds trust. Number 3, leading by example. Great leaders don't just talk, they show. They follow the same standards they expect from others. Example, if a leader expects punctuality, but is always late, the team won't take it seriously. But if they consistently show up prepared, focused, and professional, the team will follow. Your behavior sets the standard. Number 4, decision making. Leaders make decisions, not perfect ones, but clear ones. Indecision slows everything down. Here's an example. A team is stuck waiting for direction. A weak leader delays and overthinks or avoids the decision. A strong leader gathers the information and makes the call and moves forward. Progress is better than perfection. Number 5, developing others. Great leaders don't just focus on results. They build people, they coach, they support, and they help others grow. Example, instead of doing everything themselves, they delegate and teach their team how to improve. Instead of doing everything themselves, they delegate and teach their team how to improve. A great leader creates more leaders. Now, I always give an action plan at the end, and here it is. A simple way to start improving your leadership skills is to be aware of the 5 skills we just spoke about. Start applying them daily in meetings, in conversations, and team interactions. Ask for feedback. Find out how others experience your leadership. Reflect regularly what worked, what didn't work, and how you can improve, and keep practicing. Leadership is built through consistency, not perfection. Conclusion. If you want to become a great leader, focus on how you show up every day, not just your job title. Leadership isn't given, it's built. We're giving away a free career skills course. Please click the link below and request a free info pack. Now, in the free info pack section, where it says enter your phone number, just type free YouTube course and we'll send you access logins. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.